Hey guys, so how's it going? Right here we're looking at a high pressure oil rail. As you can tell, first of all, you do have to clean it. You can either use anything that you don't leave residue behind. Basically just clean it out real good. Make sure you already install your ICP sensor. By that's the sensor that's hanging right there. As you can see, I'm going over with a napkin, just cleaning every single one of them. You want to go back and forth just to make sure that you have everything cleaned out already. Make sure it's all clean, really clean, guys. Okay, no residue, no plastics, no oil rings left from the old set. And use white Lethal grease, as you can see. Just put a little bit on it, just rub it in there. And what you're gonna do, basically, you're just gonna push over it. There's no special tools needed, just your fingers. Put it sideways and then push it in, and you should hear the pop. It should just pop in there. And I'm gonna repeatedly do every single one of these ones. The white ones go in first. Keep that in mind. Always the white ones. Those are the ones you want to go in first. Whenever you do get done with the white ones, then you want to go ahead and install the black ones. As you can tell right here, I'm fixing to do every single one of them. White Lethal grease, just rub a little bit and just put it on one side and then push it down, and it should pop right in. Okay. Trying to see. Okay, yeah, here we go. I'm trying to do the last one there on this video here. It was a little bit late already at night, so had to get a little bit light. So there you go. Just push in. Every now and then you're gonna struggle a little bit with them, but just push them in there. Make sure the white one goes in the bottom. And once again, like I said, white Lethal grease. This package, you can get it from International. You can also get it online. I don't have the parts number exactly right now, but you can also get it online. I'll try to post the package information there a little bit later on. But once again, like I said, just put your white one in the bottom, and you should hear that pop going in there. Why you keep repeating it, Jose? Well, because the more you hear it, the more you're going to want to do it. Okay, this is your high pressure oil rail, and this is what sits on top of injectors. Every now and then you're going to have a hard time with this. You can see having a hard time with this one. Now you're going to grab the black ones. Okay, the black ones are the ones that go on the top. White Lethal grease again. Once again, not just so that the oil ring feels good, but also so that the oil ring does not hurt the while it's being inserted into the injector. Right here where I'm putting these black ones, as you guys can see, this is where your injector, the top of your injector sits. Twist it a little bit just to make sure you have all the grease looped up there. There you go. Move it around, and just put that grease on it. Put it in there. Now, why did I choose white Lethal grease, guys? Well, white Lethal grease is gonna dissolve with heat. These things run pretty high heat, so as soon as the heat hits it, it's gonna automatically dry up this grease, and it's not gonna be an issue. This is just to make sure that your oil rings don't get damaged while they're being inserted into the top of the injectors. Okay, so white ones on top and the black ones on the bottom. Hopefully this video helps you out, and get ready because we're gonna be installing it.